Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have a clean board and either a paring knife or an apple corer. First, remove the stem and center apple on the board so it won't wobble. If using a corer, align it over the stem and push straight down until you feel the seeds let go. Pull out core. If using a knife, make a shallow circular cut around the stem to expose the core, then start a vertical slice downward to separate the core from flesh. Once you've broken the core free, turn to cleaning the cavity. You can rotate a small spoon to scoop seeds and fibrous bits out, or use the tip of your knife to pry them away. If the central plug resists, cut the apple into quarters and slice the core out from each wedge. This reduces force and prevents crushing. Make sure to work with controlled, short motions so you remove the inedible center while keeping as much intact flesh as possible for eating or cooking. Finish by rinsing the cored area to wash away any lingering seeds or fibers. This also helps spotting missed pieces. If you won't use the apple right away, brush with lemon juice or store in a sealed container to prevent browning. If the core gets stuck during coring, don't force it. Use a narrow spoon, skewer, or recut a small wedge to free it safely. This avoids tearing the fruit. Once clear, you're ready to slice, bake, or eat immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.